It is not obvious, it's not a matter of course, that when a good foundation has been laid, and even if somebody who is capable comes after that, it is not a granted or given, that must continue unless you have the right people in the job. And that's why I want to congratulate you, our bishop, because one of the things that I have observed firmly in you is that you are a firm leader. You make decisions and you stand with those decisions. I've seen you in this church, which I'm a member, from childbirth, making very tough calls. The decision to start this building, together with our provost here, this project, with the team that you have put together, is not a small decision. It was a big one. Mtu akisikia zile pesa kanisa inasema that we intend to raise, those decisions can only be made by a courageous man. And then secondly, as far as you're concerned, our bishop, you came up with a very, very inspiring mantra for this church. Katuambia ya kwamba msingi uko imara na tulenge juu. That mantra should be copied. It should be actually a national mantra. Because sasa kwa serikali yetu tumepata uongozi wa rais wetu Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Na tuko na naibu wetu hapa. As a country, we can also now start saying msingi wetu uko imara. Na sisi tulenge juu. Lastly, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, as the Governor of Kiambu, as I congratulate our Bishop in the work they have done together with his team and ourselves to change this county and change many things in this county, Your Excellency, I want to state here as a matter of fact. Number one, the fight against illicit brews in this county, we have taken it as seriously as you had asked us to do. And that is why you find, that our bishop acknowledges that together as a team, we have put our young men together that we are rehabilitating not only in the church for mission, but also to start their businesses. Tumeanza car wash kadhaa kwa vijana. Indeed, last week but one, I organized and gave licenses to rehabilitated young men to be garbage collectors and put them together to get some trucks and become worthwhile business people. That we did, Your Excellency. And I want to give you my assurance as the county governor that we will not take for granted, and neither will we allow that to thrive in this county. I heard you, we spoke in Mount Kenya, and we have agreed that that's the way to go. Lastly, Your Excellency, in this county, when we came into office, 2 months ago, there was an assessment. And in the assessment of how have counties performed, Kiambu County, we were ranked in the whole country as the #1 county that collected the highest revenue in the whole country. We collected 3.6 billion that has never been collected for 11 years in this county by any other government. And Your Excellency, we did that in spite of that being an election year post. We did that, Your Excellency, besides all the challenges that have been there. Your Excellency, right now in this county, we are overseeing the construction and the completion of more than 5 level 4 hospitals across this county. We are overseeing the construction of new 13 level 3 facilities, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, we are today building in this county, never before done, ECD centers in 84 schools at the same time. Your Excellency, when I met the President last week, when he came to Kikuyu, I said on the public podium, I will say it again here, as far as the support for the national agenda on housing is concerned, as of today, we have got 3 ready sites for that work, Your Excellency. And what we are saying is we are waiting for the ministry to come and we start the job. Your Excellency, we have more than 9 markets now that are going for advertisement. And what I'm trying to say, Your Excellency, is that we are a serious partner with you in national government to ensure that what our women rep was talking about, employment for our young people, the change of course for our counties. In this county, Your Excellency, we are taking fast stride to ensure that we don't let you down. And so, with those many remarks, Your Excellency, I just want you to know, as you meet our boss, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, let him know that Kiambu County is fast forward in ensuring that this country changes and that our people change. I want to congratulate Your Excellency, my colleagues and my friends in our County Assembly of Kiambu. And I want to put this fully put to paid, Your Excellency, that I and the County Assembly of Kiambu, Your Excellency, that we are working together. And Your Excellency, that moving is to ensure that we build bridges and close ranks, that with you as our example, Your Excellency. And I like what our member for Tindred said here. Your Excellency, we would be the most foolish people, and we are not because you are there, if the opportunity that God has given, sure that we can redeem ourselves as a region, because we have the history from 1978 onwards and what happened to this region. But then God gave us the opportunity, gave us a president who loves us. And now, Your Excellency, we also have a team led by yourself and ourselves that is aware. What I would want to say, I started in Parliament when I was senator, the 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling fight. And I want to declare here this morning, Your Excellency, that that fight cannot be lost. And this is our time, Your Excellency, to ensure that we pick it up as the people of Mount Kenya region. If we lose that fight at this time, if we lose that push, and I want to urge my colleagues all the way from Tharaka Nithi,